How to post on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can post on Instagram. Begin by opening the Instagram application on your mobile device. On the home page, you will find 5 icons at the bottom. Click on the central plus icon to initiate the posting process. In the posting interface, you can select the photo you want to share. Click on the capture like icon to resize it. Use the camera icon to capture a new photo instantly. Select multiple photos by clicking on select multiple. After selecting your photos, click next at the top right corner. Here you can apply filters to enhance your images. If you want to add music to your post, click on the music icon at the top. Click next again to move to the finalization screen. Instagram will start processing your post. This may take a moment depending on the content and any edits you have made. On the next screen, you can add a caption to your post. Customize it as you like. Once done, click on the share button at the bottom. Wait for a short while as your post gets uploaded. After a while, your post will be displayed on your screen. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.